Hey guys, it's your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel, and today we're gonna change the carburetor. I should say a leaky carburetor on this Tecumseh 10 horsepower snowblower. We've been dealing with some problems with this thing lately. We got a new recoil starter just today. But yeah, I just want to show you what happens here, guys. Okay, let's turn on the gas. Last week, what I did was I put a new Chinese aftermarket one in there, and you're not supposed to buy the cheap ones. I know, guys. Go easy on me. But I put it on, and I was having the same exact issue, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the service position, okay, which obviously is on its face. This thing is a beast. This thing is heavy. This thing is, this is a 28 wide clearing path. 28 inch. And yeah, you can smell the gasoline really bad. Okay, you can smell it severely, the gas. This one here, there's supposed to be another one here, but I only have the one screw. This is an 8mm, okay? And usually these aren't in there that tight. And we are going to take off the tire as well. Okay, we are going to take off the tire. Okay. We're going to put all the screws in a safe spot down here, okay? All right, now we are going to take the wheel off as well, okay? And this is just one of those pins. You open it up and you pull it out. See, there it is, there's the pin. This is the pin for the tire. And this should come off nice and easy because what I do is I put anti-seize on the shaft here. Always, always, always put a nice generous amount of anti-seize on the shaft here. And when you go to take the tire off, it'll come right off. Usually. That looks like a flat, right? Flathead, looks like a homemade one. Okay. Yeah, this is a flathead, like I said. Okay, and that went in the side there, right over here. See it? Right over here it went in. You have to take these caps off. The cap just pulled right off. See it? It's pulled right off. Okay. And you're going to take the key out, obviously. Take the key out as well, so you have access to this. Okay. Now, see if this comes right off now. Well, it should. I think it's still connected where I thought. Hang on a sec. No, it's not. Okay, this got to come off and over this thing. There we go. There we go. And this is what it looks like. This is what the housing looks like. See? Let me back up a little bit. Hang a second. Yeah. So this is the housing that goes over the carburetor and stuff, you know? You're going to laugh at me, guys, but this is all I have. Everyone knows what this is, right? Everyone knows what these are. These are for your vehicle, for the antifreeze. See, this is a stopper in here, and fluid will not come out. But I'm going to use this as a catch can, you see? So I'm going to see what I can do here. Nut bolt's at 12. Yes, it is. Nut bolt is at 12. Okay, got it here. Boom. Now, I'm going to take off the nut bolt. You can see me doing that, right? See? Okay. Now, I just want to catch all the gas that's going to be in here. Okay. Okay, there you go. There you go. You got it. You got the gasoline in here. See the gasoline in there? See how it stops in there? It's pretty good. And here's the carburetor, guys. Like I said, it's brand new. This is brand new. I think we're going to have to take the whole thing off. Hang on a second. This is a Phillips head under here. Going to take it out. We do not want to lose these. I'll put them right here. Now we have to do the other side, obviously. It's a pain in the butt sometimes. You got to figure it out. Got to get in there. You have to have eyes behind your head. Okay. Got it. All right. And there is the other nut and bolt that keeps on the carburetor. Now, we have them both here. Okay, we have them both here. We're going to put these aside somewhere else. Okay. Now, there's a hose behind it. You're going to have to release. Okay, we're going to unscrew the hose. There is a hose back here. A little more you got to do. Literally, it started leaking 5 minutes after I put it in, guys. 5 minutes. I mean, come on, that should not happen. Okay. Now, it's always good, I should have said this before, but it's always good to take pictures so you know exactly where things go, how they're orientated, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Take pictures. See it? Oh, there you go. I got the hose off. Okay. Now we're going to have to get this guy off. Where is it? Wait a second. There we go. Now you're going to have to get the primer bulb hose off too. See it? It's the primer bulb hose. And there you go, guys. There's your carburetor. We're going to take the pin out. Here's the pin. Here's the pin. And here's the float and seat, needle and seat. Where's the needle? The needle wasn't even in, guys. Look at that. It's actually sitting on the bottom here, the needle. See it? There's the needle. You always want to make sure it's clean on the tip. See it? You always want to make sure the tip of this has no gook, no gooky, you know. Can't have any of that stuff. And here's the inside. We are going to clean it out. See it? Even though, guys, this thing is a week old. Not even a week. Yeah, I'm just going to use this to clean it. You know, there's the seat. Seat's down here. Trying to make sure there's no gook down here where the needle and seat go. It's hard to see, I know. Put it in here. All the way in. It's not clogged. It should not be clogged after a week. It is. Wow. Okay. Now, what I'm going to attempt to do. Okay. Now, also where the gasket goes, you can see it's perfectly clean. See it? Perfect. Absolutely perfect. When you look at the gasket, it's absolutely perfect. It's brand new. So you would think, you know. So I'm going to just put it on here again. See, I do have another carburetor, guys. I do have another one. However, I don't really want to, you know, do anything with the new one yet, you know. What I'm going to do is the needle and seat thing. A lot of people use a Q-tip. They use a Q-tip and they put it on the power drill and they, you know, they put it in the holes, like inside there. But you know, I'm just going to take a little thingy. I want to make sure there's nothing obstructing. Okay. Now make sure the needle and seat are still in, because that can be tricky, guys. Sometimes this needle and seat, you think it's in and it's not. Yeah, we're going to install this back on there. See what happens, guys. All right, let's go. Put this out. Not too tight, guys. Not too tight. Let's do it. Not in there yet? Give me a sec. Okay, now we're going to put this all the way up. Okay. And we are going to, now we're going to clamp down the hose in the back here. Try to hold it up a little bit. See it? And this is good. Alright. Can you guys see okay? Okay. When you're attaching the gas onto the carburetor, here's the hose right there. See it? Plugs into the carburetor. Then you screw down the clamp, tighten it up so there's no leaks. See it? Don't forget the gasket, guys. Never forget the gasket, because it's going to go right in there. So yeah, let's just put the, just like that. See how I try to get this in there. See it? That's what I'm trying to do, this like this. Yeah. Yeah, I think I got to start a little bit. I think I did. Yeah, okay. Got the one side started. Okay, there we go. Now, the fun games is the other side. Okay. All right. And that is how you get the carburetor on. Took a little doing, but we got it. Okay, now gonna have to hook up the primer bulb line. Here's over here. There we go. Attaboy, attaboy. I think this one's the 8, right? 8 mil. we can do it on this top right here. There we go. Okay. We are missing a screw. If I can find one, I'll put it in. But put these on there. Yeah, I'm really not anticipating this to work. However, it would be nice, you know? It would be nice. So the crap I went through with this, you know? Okay. I mean, let's see. Primer. Okay. Now, we are going to put back on the wheel. Hopefully everything's good. Hopefully. But by the way things have been going, I'm not counting on it. Yeah. It's one of those things where you can't understand why this is happening. I know I can't. This in here. There we go. Boom. Okay, you got the tire in. You got the wheel in. See, this is just a clip, guys. See, for the wheel. It's just a clip. Comes on down like that. Pops right in and out. See it? That's it. Gone. Okay, now we're gonna do it again. Let's see what happens now. Broken hose. There it is. It started up and it stayed on. This is your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel, guys. Shake your neighbor's hand as always. The fighting in this world has got to stop. We don't need it no more. All the people who fight can peace out. Guys, click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon, then click all so you never miss an upcoming post or a video of ours. Guys, it's your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel. Peace out. Love you guys.